Hey guys, it's John Amazana here. I hope you guys are doing well today or tonight. There's a new feature here on Instagram app, which is called Quiz. I'll show you how it works in the app. Let's go. Alright, so first things first, what we're gonna do is open up Reels. From here, you can actually choose any video. Let's just say for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose this one. I'm gonna press next. I'm gonna press next. As you can see on the top, in the middle section, it says the caption. We have hashtags, poll, prompt, and quiz. This is the new one. All right, we're gonna click on this, and here you can actually insert your question. You have option A, option B, and option C. I think it's only up to A, B, C, D. Okay, that's the maximum that you can actually insert for the quiz. Let's see if we can actually ask a question. What do you think about this song? All right, so I can also run Meta AI to actually write sort of like a chat GPT, all right, to kind of like fix grammar or just maybe like, what's your take on this song? Okay, now you can put your answer here. Say beach, maybe party, sad, happy. So after that, what you're gonna do is click OK, and as you can see in the middle section, it says, "What's your take on this song?" It says at the bottom, it says quiz for options. Okay, and after that, you can just simply share it. And that's it. Let me know if you have this feature or not. Anyway, cheers, bye.